Here I've got STANLEY S241 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select About Phone, and here you'll notice build number. You have to tap 7 times on it. And that's it. As you can see, you are now a developer, so let me go back, and on the previous screen you will notice developer options. They appeared here. You can open it and now simply come along with all of the functions, all of the advanced features. You can use them. For example, you can force 4x MSAA, debug GPU overdraw, force GPU rendering, simulate secondary displays, and plenty of other functions. Then if you'd like to switch off developer options, simply tap on this switcher and as you can see, they are no longer active. So that would be all. Let's go back. This is how you can activate developer options, use them, and then switch them off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.